Use your 1/4 inch Allen wrench to remove the 6 head bolts. Rotating the crankshaft can help to separate the head from the crankcase. If needed, use your flat blade screwdriver to pry it off the rest of the way, being careful not to damage the seal retainers underneath. Remove the backup rings and the high pressure seal. If needed, you can use your external pliers to remove these. And inspect them for any cracking, damage, scratches on the inside, or melting from running the pump dry. Repeat for each cylinder.